if your saddlebags are getting near your exhaust system, like my saddlebags were not near my exhaust system when I put these bags on, but after a while they stretch out and start touching the exhaust system. So what I got here is, I already put it on. It's a piece left over. It's black felt welding um, cloth, whatever you want to call it, welding blanket, black cloth welding blanket. It's like black felt. So I got it. You can barely see it. Well, you can't see it. It's under there. It's sewn on there, and well, actually, it's sewn on and uh, used zip ties, big zip ties, away from where the exhaust is. Now, if you're putting it on there and you're worried about the zip ties burning off or something, I don't think these will because they're away from the pipes. Just use some copper wire. That's all, something that it won't burn. But just use some welding blanket on the bottom of the bags. And it's not going to burn through. I got it on the inside and the outside, doubled up. So it should be really good now. It doesn't quite touch, but after a while, it gets hot in a couple areas, but it should be fine now. It's a cheapy way to, keep your saddlebags from getting scorched.